the train. Uh-huh. Why did it stop going?
It's a station. Name is Adamdil Station.
Okay. I am thinking I love to see this train. I love to see some trains. Okay, we just stop. You cannot see, but I can see the train just stop.
Some guy are putting in our
This is my dad and this is me.
This is my lollipop.
This is my lollipop. Name is Lolu.
আলো ধরে না
Oh, here we go. Now what? I'm gonna turn on the light. What is this? I was touching this. And here is our water. I was telling here is our water. Want to see more? There's a car. Bye.